Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to highlight duplicates from more than one method. So I have a very simple example with the few columns employee ID, area code, and sale. So first of all, we need to understand what is duplicate. Duplicate is something that's appearing more than one time. For example, this cell, employee ID X1122, if it's appearing more than one time like this, so we will call this is a duplicate. And for example, this whole row is appearing more than one time, so that's also considered as a duplicate within Microsoft Excel. So very first method to highlight duplicates is through conditional formatting. First of all, select the data and then from Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting and first option highlight cell rule and then go to duplicate value and from here drop down you can choose either duplicate or unique. For this video purpose I'm choosing duplicate values, and then you can also change the color of the cell as well, yellow, or you can do green if you like. Press OK. Now you can see it has highlighted all the duplicates within the data. All those rows are duplicates in my data, so you can take any further action on it. For example, press Ctrl Shift L to apply filter, and then you can filter by color, and then you can further delete those rows. So clear the filter, and if you want to clear the formatting on the data, select the data, go to conditional formatting, and then clear rules, and clear rules from selected cell. If you click this option, it will clear all the formatting on your data. So this was the one of the method to highlight duplicates in your data. Let's move on to the second method. We can actually use formula to highlight duplicates as well. So the formula is COUNTIF. I start using formula is equal to COUNTIF, press tab. And firstly, we need to select the range. Our range is basically this whole data. So I will select all the data, then comma. What is my criteria? My criteria is this employee ID cell. If that's appearing more than one time, so I want formula to tell me. So its cell reference is B4, close a bracket, press enter. So if I just copy the formula, just double click from the bottom and it will apply on all these cells. So now let's have a look on the result. In some of the cases, it's showing 2. 2 means this row is appearing 2 times. This row is also appearing 2 times. Rest of the row is appearing just one time. So what I can do, I can again remove the filter, Control Shift L, and apply again, Control Shift L, and then I can simply select the rows which are having number 2, okay, and these are all duplicates. I can further delete them, but I have a separate dedicated video how to remove the duplicates, and I'll give the link in the description of this video. So this was the method which you can use to highlight the duplicate from the conditional formatting or through the COUNTIF formula. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.